Versatile printing ribbon for the identification of wires, panels, and other industrial items. Self-contained ribbon cartridges are hassle-free and easy to replace without any printer calibration and ribbon threading. R6000 series ribbons resin formulation offers a high-performance images with excellent solvent and scratch resistance. Tough, smear-proof ribbon produces long-lasting printed text that can withstand years in industrial areas and outdoor conditions. For use with BMP71 Label Printer. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, thanks. Just what we needed. Recommended for industrial applications. Industrial strength.